Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make very effective detox drink that will detoxify all the toxic in your system and enable you lose weight faster. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Let's get started. So to start this recipe, you need cucumber. You need some lemon. You can use lime if you want. You need some mint leaf. We'll go ahead and grab a couple of those. And this recipe that I'm making is for 3 days, but the recipe goes for 7 days, but I make 3 days in a row. Here I have sage. I'll be adding a couple of sage leaf. So the mint and sage helps to boost your metabolism pretty good. And I'll be adding some ginger. And the next I'll be adding garlic. So just to mention, if your body does not tolerate garlic or ginger, you are free to skip those. So I'll be using 4 cloves of garlic. Next is celery. This one is very important. You need to have celery. So I'll be taking off 4 sticks. Yes, I'm making this recipe for 3 days. Yeah, I think I've said that before, so I just want to repeat it again. I'm making this for 3 days. So it stays fresh in the refrigerator for 3 days in a row and it still remains fresh. So I'll be adding spinach. I'm using fresh baby spinach. You can use regular spinach if that's what you have available. So I'll go ahead and grab 2 handfuls of fresh baby spinach. So these are the kind of spinach you use for salad as well. So the next, I'll go ahead and wash everything up and then cut them into little sizes to enable my blender to blend everything properly. Alright guys, the next thing I would love to mention is portion control. We all know that portion control is a very great key in weight loss, and this drink will help you, support you in decreasing the appetite and help you lose weight faster. So here I have my celery. I'll go ahead and cut that as well. So at this point, I'll go ahead and cut up everything and I'll be right back. So be sure that you cut down the amount of food you eat in a day. Eat lesser food and you see result in your weight loss. So here I have everything chopped up and ready to go. I also washed the mint leaf and the sage. So now the next part is also the lemon. So go ahead and set this aside and I'll cut up my lemon and I will squeeze them with the juice extractor, so you can get the juice out of the lemon whichever way that works best for you. You can just squeeze them out the regular way, or if you have any kind of tools that will help you get the juice out, just do it the way that works for you. So once I'm done extracting all the juice, the lemon juice, look at that, I got a lot from it. So I'm using 2 large lemon. You can use lime, like I said before, you can use lime, that works fine as well. So here is the spinach. I already washed it clean. The next part is to combine everything inside the blender, starting off by pouring in the lemon juice, and I'm using 20 ounces of water. So at the end of this recipe, I was able to get 48 ounces of the detox drink. So you use 20 ounces of water to blend everything together. At the end of it, you'll be getting about 48 to 50 ounces of detox drink. And this you can store in your refrigerator up to 3 days. So you can use like this kind of bag, the strainer bag, or you can use chiffon clothes, whatever that works best for you, that will enable you safer days, like to filter, make sure that you get all the juice out of it. Go ahead and do whatever that works for you. So I like using these chiffon clothes. I don't know if this is chiffon or nylon clothes, so whatever it's called, I prefer using that to filter my drink. And here we are, it's ready, looking so delicious. Yes, and this tastes so well. If you are not a fan of celery, you might not like it, but if you really enjoy celery, then this drink is for you. You will love the amazing taste. So this is what I do. I do this for 7 days in a row. It can go longer than that if you choose to. There is nothing harmful about this drink. Yeah, you can go as long as you want, but the minimum should be 7 days to help your body to detox all the toxic in it. This will enable your body to burn fast, boost your metabolism, help it burn fat faster. So whenever I'm ready to drink this, I will always go ahead and add some the apple cider vinegar. You use apple cider vinegar. Of course, we all know the benefit of apple cider vinegar. If you're not aware of that at this point, you can go ahead and search that up on internet. You will see all the benefits that comes with this apple cider vinegar. So whenever I'm ready to drink this, I use 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and add it to 8 to 10 ounces of the drink. Yes, and I will turn that around and I will drink it. It tastes good. But if you are not a fan of apple cider vinegar as well, because the taste can be very hard, so what I'm showing you guys now is how I store up my drink. You can use whatever that works for you. Just get yourself 3 bottle water, drink that up. Yep, drink the 3 bottle water. Just kidding, you don't have to like drink 3 bottle waters in a row. So I just empty out the 3 water bottles and I will fill that up. Each of them is like 18 ounces. So whenever I want to drink, I divide them into 2 and I'll pour it in my glass. So I'm just showing you guys what I do for the rest of the 3 days. So pour that in the glass and I'll go ahead and also store the remaining 1, and then I will add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in the glass. Sorry guys, I'm not very good at measuring. It's always spill more than I want, but that's okay. Yeah, so if you're not really a fan of this taste at this point because of the apple cider vinegar taste, because it makes it a little bit sour, so go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of honey. This takes away the sour taste or the acid taste in the apple cider vinegar. So just go ahead and stir that up until the honey gets mixed up properly with the detox drink, and this makes it more enjoyable, more fun to drink. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please support this channel by subscribing if you haven't done so already, and you guys should have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye for now.